Hi my dudes, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing this DL12 mirror dashcam from AKASO. Here's the box. And the bottom. Let's open it up. Alright, and here's the dashcam itself. Wrapped plastic. And I'm gonna spread it out and show you all the accessory and the cable and the wiring on this AKASO DL12. Here you go, my dude. This is what's inside the box. We have the dashcam itself. It's a 12-inch model DL12 from AKASO. A quick start guide. This is right for your center mirror, pry tool, plastic pry tool, and some cable management. Warranty card, and this is for your wire for your backup camera. And this is your backup camera. It shoots 1080p. Double-sided tape and some screws. This is for your GPS. You install it inside your car or your dashboard. And we have a DC outlet. It's for your cable. I wish it's Type C. Be nice. It's the old-fashioned one. Alright, and we're gonna go back to the AKASO center mirror and explain what feature it has. Alright guys, let's take a close look on the AKASO DL12 12 inches dashcam. So the screen ratio is 12 inches. It's kind of a rectangular shape. In the side is your power button right here. Power button right here. This is your mic. USB, AV cable, a micro SD, and this be your GPS. I wish it's Type C to be nice. And the rear, we have the reset button right here, speaker, and 2K using a Sony lens camera, so it'd be nice. This is also swivel. You can go left and right. You can like pull out like this. That's nice. Go up and down. Right, I can go right at it too. It's awesome. See, you can adjust it. Alright, this is for your holder for your rubber for your center mirror. Okay, and next we're gonna go to the car and temporary look at the mirror itself. Install in the car. I've been installing it in my Mustang for temporarily because this is nice to have if you're driving a lot. To point A to point B, so if you're extra security and something happens, you can just rewind the tape. It's a very good investment, and they're not that expensive too. If you buy in Black Friday, they're very not expensive. Alright guys, let's go to the car. Alright guys, we got a temporary install for easy. So I just bundled the wire on the top right there. Just bundle the wire here at top. And put the connection there. I put the SD already, need to be formatted. And this will be the straps right here in the back. You can see I used the long ones, not the short one, because this thing is really fat. it has a fat side mirror. I wish this frame was nice. I didn't install the backup camera because I don't need one, because I already have a backup camera in my Mustang. It's only temporary, you know, so it's much less security near my car. By the way, this is the small rubber bands for your side mirrors, because mine's pretty thick, so I use the long ones. And I'm just gonna remove the plastic. Ooh, very satisfying. This screen is pretty big, 12 inches. See, it just looks factory. And make sure you remove the sticker for the camera. Good thing this is adjustable. You can adjust the camera right here. If not, it won't fit. So just remove the plastic attachment right here, back. Just take it out. All right. So we have here your resolution. Right now it's shooting in 2K, and this is your GPS. Let's go to settings. Okay. So we have resolution. I'm shooting right now in 10.2K, 1.5K. So the plus 1080, that's your rear camera. I don't need to install right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in 2K. So this is your loop record. You can do 1 minute recording, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to do 5 minutes. Okay, and you can do audio recording on or off, so you can sense the ambient sound on the car or also outside. Right, I'm gonna put it on. And G sensor. So G sensor, if someone hit you or hit a bump, it will automatically record and lock the file or the video. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low or medium. Put medium. All right, let's go. Next one will be parking guard. Parking guard is like a sentry for a vehicle. If someone touch your vehicle, and the G sensor sense it, and it will start recording and lock the video. Put it high. Okay, screensaver. I'm gonna put it on 1 minute because it's a screensaver. 1 minute. All right, and we have video encode. I'm gonna put it on 864. Right now it's an 864, and I'm at 865. I'll put in 865. Video encode. Okay. Frequency. Then 50 hertz. I'm gonna put it in 60 hertz. Alright. Next will be mirror image. So you can mirror image the rear camera while you're driving. It's gonna be the key voice that makes it sound. And next will be speaker. There's a mute, low, and high. I put in high. Boot sound is for your booting sound. Put it on. Alright. This one you can stream your recording. Okay. Next one will be language. Put in English. Next will be the time. We can also, this is the date. This is what I put right now. Confirm. And we can format the card. Yes, confirm. And your card is formatted. And this is for your default. You can go with the factory settings. We can scroll up more. It has also speech recognition. You can like talk to the camera. You can go screen on, close recorder, front video on, screen off, record video, open recorder, lock video, check all. On. Alright, and this is the version or the format. And scroll up and go back. And this is your recording right here. Press record. Right now it's recording right now. This is your recording right here. Red dot, 2K, G sensor, parking guard, and the time and date. This is pretty nice. All right. And push that. We can lock the film if you want. So it's locking the film, so it won't be overwrite. That's it. It's already locked. You can also take a picture too if you want. You can snap a picture. There you go. He's taking a picture right now. And also you can tilt the screen up and down. That's pretty nice. And I don't have the rear back camera right now. If you have the rear back camera, you can split with the front and rear at the same time, or also just the rear. It's also the rear itself. And you can also shut it off too. You can see the rear on the vehicle, but it's still recording even it's shut off. This one's pretty nice because it doesn't have the kind of blue tint in it. Some of them they have blue tint in it, but this one is pretty nice. But I need to adjust it. It needs to be adjusted again. Just turn it on. Alright guys, and that's my review on and unboxing and overview on the AKASO DL12. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.